Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a nut in AutoCAD 3D. This is the nut which we will model in AutoCAD 3D. Let's start. So length is 30, height is 10, and after that we will make a threaded hole here. Click on home and we are in the isometric view now. Click on polygon and number of sides 6. I select a point here and I want inscribe, so enter. 15 is the radius of this one. Click on extrude. Height is 10. You can see in conceptual. Now we will click on front view and we will go back to 2D wireframe. Now we have to create a chamfer here. Cut this chamfer. How we can do that? So here I will create a line 10 mm and 15. I will use a chamfer command CHA and I will choose here angle, and distance is 2 and angle is 30. This is my first one, this is the second one. Now we have to revolve this command. So I will do little adjustment here to subtract the shape. Now it is a single entity, we have to combine one. So we have to join all the lines. Click on modify and click on join, select all. Now it is a single entity. Now we have to use a revolve command. Type REV revolve, enter, select the axis and give the radius 360 degree. We will click on home here. So we have to place here. Move to the mid of this one. Click on front view. So we have to chamfer bottom also. We will click on mirror. Select this one. Enter here. Again we will go to isometric view and conceptual here. So we have to subtract this chamfer from this main polygon. Click on subtract, select the main polygon, enter, select this one and enter. So now nut shape is modeled now and we have to make a threaded hole here. The ID is 13 and 15. So we will click on front view and go back to wireframe. So I will create a line here and offset 6.5 for 13, offset 7.5 for 15. Now I will offset 1. You can create the thread shape as per the thread specification. I am showing here only for the demonstration purpose only. We will mirror this one. So this is not required. This is also not required. Now we will mirror all again here. Enter. Again mirror. Enter. Again mirror. Enter here. So we will delete these extra lines here. We will join here and trim this one, trim this one not required, this one not required. We will trim this one. We will join this line to this one. To make a single entity for extrusion, we have to click on region, REG, select all. Now it is a single, so we can revolve. Type a REV, enter, revolve, and 360 degree. We will go in isometric view here. Now we will move this one. Center of this one to mid of this one. Click on front view and we will move up. Now we will click on conceptual here. So again we will subtract. Click on subtract, main nut, enter, and this one. The hole is greater now. Change property and I will change the color to blue. So in this way we can create a nut in AutoCAD. So again we will go to top view here and you can see we can slice this one also. Cut, select object, click on 2D wireframe, S for slice, select object and center, and this one I want both sides. Cut, enter, conceptual, and you can see that we cut it half. So in this way we can create any nut in AutoCAD. Hope you understood how to create a nut in AutoCAD.